Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up and create a new account on Xbox. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in xbox.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Xbox website. Now click on the sign in button at the top right corner and this will take you into the login portal. Now within this page, you can simply click on the create one option where it says no account. And now you will be able to create your new account. If you don't already have a Microsoft email address, you can click on get a new email address. After typing in your desired email address, click on the next button and you will be allowed to create your password. Just type in your desired password for your account and click on the next button. You will then be asked to enter your name. Type in your first and your last name and then click on the next button and now choose your country or region as well as your date of birth. Then click on the next button and then proceed with verifying your identity by clearing your CAPTCHA. Once you clear the CAPTCHA test, you will be taken into your Xbox account and now you will be able to choose your profile image as well as your gamer tag. After entering your preferred gamer tag, click on the next button and now you will be successfully signed up and taken into your Xbox account. You can now use these credentials that you have set up within the Xbox application to log in right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign up and create a new account on Xbox. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.